Hello everyone. Do you like cheesecake? No, do you love cheesecake? I love cheesecake. It's not very hard to make, but it takes such a long time. And sometimes we don't have that time. Sometimes we don't want to wait. So today I'm gonna make really easy cheesecake and no bake. And it's gonna be with black currant, strawberry and white chocolate, and it's gonna be amazing and delicious and easy. So first I'm gonna make a base for cheesecake. I got here crumbled graham cookies. You have to use some chocolate cookies, maybe Oreo cookies. I have this, that's why I'm using my cacao. So what I do, I take a couple of tablespoons of my cacao and I mix it with melted butter, which I melted in the microwave. So first I mix my cacao with my melted butter. See how easy? And there is all cacao mixed really nicely, and now I'm mixing it together with my cookies. Right, I mixed my cookie crumbs with cacao and butter, and I'm going to put it on bottom of my prepared mold. So I've got here a ring. I put plastic wrap on the bottom of it because I don't have bottom for this ring, and I've got like acetate to cover the sides of my ring. I have to press it. I'm using this measuring cup to press it everywhere on so it covers the bottom of my ring. Alright, so that's done, and that's how it looks, and this goes to fridge. And I forgot to mention that before I started doing this cheesecake, I have to soak my gelatin so it's all bloomed and soaked. So now we have cream cheese. It has to be room temperature, and also butter. It has to be very soft, and sugar. And now everything goes into this food processor, and I have to mix it all together. It's all mixed, and now we go for the next step. Next step, we have to make a puree and melt our chocolate. So I'm just going to do puree with one, just as an example, with strawberry. The same thing I'm going to do with the black currant. So what I do first, I put it in my pot and I'm going to heat it up. Okay, so I defrosted my strawberry and I added a little bit of water to help it to defrost, and now I'm gonna blend it to make it a puree. So as you can see, it's all very easy. Got my sift and I'm sifting my puree. You don't have to sift it, but if you want it like clean, no seeds or anything, you can sift it. It doesn't take long, and also you don't have to use strawberries. You can use mango, you can use raspberries, you can use any fruit, frozen or fresh. You can use peaches, you can use apricots, I don't know, watermelon, anything you like, any fruit puree you like, you can use. That's the beauty of this recipe. Done. And I am going to do the same thing with the black currant, and I already melted my chocolate. That's done. Our puree are ready, and look how beautiful they are, and the colors all natural. And now we're gonna mix it all together. So this is our cream cheese mixture, and while I was defrosting my berries, I whipped some cream, and now I'm gonna mix the cream cheese mixture and a cream. Soft, fluffy consistency. I dissolved my gelatin in the microwave 10 seconds and I add it to our mixture. Now I am gonna divide this mixture between our chocolate and berries. Nicely, so you can see all the colors, and if you want you can add a little bit of color to make it a little brighter. I'm not gonna do this. And now I'm gonna get our ring with our cookies on the bottom, and I'm gonna fill basically I'm gonna make our cheesecake. Our cookies are nice and chilled, and now first going our chocolate mixture, white chocolate mixture on the bottom. And I'm gonna pour my black currant mixture and then strawberry mixture. And that's it. And that's it, and the cheesecake is all done, ready, and it goes to fridge, and I'll see you in a few hours. We're gonna cut it and we're gonna taste it, and I can't wait. Okay, our cheesecake is done. It spent a few hours in the fridge. I actually put it in the freezer to make sure that it's gonna be ready. You can put it in the freezer, you can keep it in the fridge, doesn't matter. It's done, it's ready. So let's cut it and see what's inside. There is our cheesecake. It tastes really nice. It's lovely. It's a black currant gives it a little sourness, aromas of the strawberry, sweetness of the white chocolate. Nice. And you can see all the levels are here in our lovely piece. I suggest you make it. It's really doesn't take any time to make. You don't have to bake it, and it tastes really fresh, like a summer. So this is it. I'm done. So put your thumbs up, subscribe, let me know if you make it. It's totally my idea, my recipe, and I'll see you in the next video.